Good morning everyone, and welcome back to an amazing video back on board the Oasis of the Seas. Today's our second day on board and it is a sea day. Right now we're just on our boardwalk balcony, just looking at the views, the ocean and all of that stuff. It's currently around 7 a.m. so in a couple minutes we're gonna head to Windjammer, I believe is the restaurant that we're gonna go to get some breakfast. We're gonna eat some breakfast in the Windjammer and then we're gonna have a fun sea day on board. Thank you. Alright, we just had an amazing breakfast at the Windjammer. It was definitely delicious and we're gonna come back there again on this cruise. Now we're gonna go play some mini golf. Let's go do that. Yes! Yeah! Two! Oh, ours both ended right here. Oh, shoot. Whatever. Wow, I sure did have a blast there at the Oasis Dunes mini golf course up at the sports day. Alright, so I did indeed get changed. I'm in my bathing suit right now and right behind me is the pool deck and now I'm going to go swimming, so let's go swimming. Okay, I just had a very fun time swimming and now I just got changed. I'm no longer in my bathing suit and we're on deck 8 right now and we're gonna head to the music hall because they have like an escape room puzzle thing right now, so let's go head there.
One of them is different.
This one?
Yes, yep. Change the numbers.
Wow, we just had a very fun time solving that murder mystery in the music hall, and now this bag, if you're wondering what it is filled with cruise ducks. Right now we are going to be hiding them all around the ship. Right now we're in the boardwalk and we're gonna hide some here. Let's do it. Okay, right now we are in this bus that we found yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. It was a very fun video. And we just hit a duck right here by the stairs. So yeah, that's where we hit our first duck. Okay, our next location, we're in the boardwalk and we hid one right on this picture art thing, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And the last duck that we will be hiding is right here in Central Park in the bushes. It's not the last duck that we have. We have many more ducks in this bag, but we're gonna hide them throughout different points on the cruise. Okay, that was very fun hiding those ducks. Alright, so we've had so much fun this morning, and after all that fun, I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna go head up to El Loco Fresh for some Mexican food. And after we eat, there is a parade happening in the Royal Promenade, which we're gonna go catch. So let's go. Alright, so we are at El Loco Fresh. I am just eating a small lunch. I got some chips, some beans, and I also got the tropical mango drink, so let's eat. Okay, so we just finished up lunch at El Loco Fresh. Very good. I definitely recommend you trying it out if you're on one of these class of ships or on any ship that has El Loco Fresh. Soon we are going to be heading down to the Royal Promenade for the parade that is happening. That should be very fun. That is in around 30 minutes. So let's go do that. Oh my gosh, wow! That parade in the Royal Promenade was just amazing. The entertainment staff on board Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas did such a good job with it, and it was incredible. Now it is about 12:30-ish, and at 1 I'm going to head over to the karaoke room in the Royal Promenade called Spotlight Karaoke, and we're not going to do karaoke, I can promise you that. But we are going to be doing superhero trivia there. So I'm going to charge the GoPro up, and then let's go head to the Spotlight Karaoke for some superhero trivia.
Where is Captain America from? What does SHIELD stand for? Black Panther is a set in which fictional country? Easy peasy, come on.
Alright, I just had a very fun time at superhero trivia. I didn't get any questions right. But now I'm going to go back into the karaoke room actually, and I'm going to learn how to fold napkins in cool ways. And then after that, I'm going to try to ride the water slides. Today's been a pretty fun day so far, so let's go learn how to fold some napkins.
Once again, they are gone. You waited? A little space between all.
Well guys, that was very fun to learn how to make those napkins and how to fold them real good. But as I said before we did napkin folding, that after we were done with napkin folding, I was going to go up to the deck 15 and do the water slides and pool. So I'm going to keep that promise. So let's get into our bathing suits and head up there. And boom, we are all in our bathing suit and we are ready to head up to the pool deck. Let's go. Alrighty folks, I just got off of the Perfect Storm water slides. I rode the Supercell is what the slide is called. It's like a toilet bowl one. Very fun, very fast. It was quite fast actually, and the water was very refreshing. And I don't know if you can see behind me, but there is a princess ship out in the distance. It's right there. Very cool to see another ship. Over here, I can see a ship, but I can't quite tell what it is. But it is quite a nice time on deck right now. And because it's such a hot day out, I decided to make use of the free complimentary soft serve ice cream on board. Definitely good. Alright, I just got into my formal night outfit, which is just the outfit I was wearing earlier, but with khaki pants instead of khaki shorts. We're heading down to dinner right now, actually. As I said, it's formal night. It's also French night for the menu. I've been enjoying the new menu, so I'm excited to see if I enjoy French night tonight. So let's head into the dining room. Alright guys, I am back on the balcony and I am in the room, and sadly you guys all know what that means. Day 2 here on board the Oasis of the Seas has come to an end. It has been a good one. We went to so many events and things around the ship. We rode slides, we hit ducks. It was such a fun day. Tomorrow we're going to be in Royal Caribbean's private destination, Labadee, Haiti, and we are going to do snorkeling and just hanging around the island. And that's going to be very fun, so make sure to check out that video. Well, I gotta head to bed, and I will see you in the next one. As always, my name's Holden, and you're watching Cruising Holden.